Pulcinella is a ballet, and after Stravinsky made a suite for orchestra, small orchestra. It's after an old symphony in sol minore for cello and string by Pergolesi. So I thought that if Stravinsky had wanted a solistic, a virtuosistic way of playing, he would have given the score to the cello. And maybe the cello player can play and better than double bass. So in my opinion, we have to try to make like a duet, or maybe a struggle, a war against the trombone, which is the other soloist in this moment. The trombone starts pa 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 pa. So we have to try to make the same. And after Stravinsky wrote very in verticulation. So So here we have the most solistic moment, which is one of the most common mistakes here is to make the wrong accent. The accent is written is often double bassists play but the right way is and here it's kind of question. No, I swear. The original score is, but here we have accent and fortissimo, so we have to play. And again. And here we have a glissato. It's really strange, but we have to play the glissato in the tempo. Try to make this be in the right rhythm. So to do this, you have to play, to study, and then we have F major scala and repeat. Pam pam pam. After the F major, we have C major. And then we have, look that there is a pausa, so we have to play. Now we have a acciaccatura. I play the acciaccatura like left hand pizzicato. here we have a moment which Stravinsky wrote dolce, sweet, but on my opinion it's sad, not sweet. It's in the orchestra we have the string, the lowest string of bass, which play and the orchestra play pa pa. Then we have a duet with the trumpet. So try to make this note a little bit longer. Then we have the ending. Take a look at the conductor and 1,